This section of the video is to help you better understand how to walk and maximize the muscle movement and rehabilitate those knees. See, we tend to walk like ducks, so Denise is here to help me show you what a duck walk is. That means we walk with our toes facing outward. Let's go and walk, walk. Notice how we're walking like a duck? Just look at people in the mall and you'll notice how many people walk like a duck, oftentimes more with one foot than the other. In a slow motion, just stepping forward with a duck, turn out, the knee goes forward, just like we were showing on how to do stairs. But as you walk forward each time, the knee goes forward, and that torques on the knee and activates the muscle on the inside of the knee, causing overstretch on the outside and too tight on the inside. And the best telltale sign of walking like a duck are those pesky knee pads of fat right here. I call it knee knocker fat. And Denise, remember when you had those? And I can tell if people are ducks on one foot more than the other, because they'll have more knee knocker fat on one knee compared to the other. And I'll go, you walk like a duck with the right. So by just keeping the toes forward when you walk, and not just keeping toes forward, keep the weight off the big toe. So as you step forward, notice how we're both pushing from the last 2 to 3 toes. We have no weight on the big ball joint behind the big toe. Now at first it might seem a little awkward and you're going to walk not with a smooth gait, but we'll take 3 quick steps. Watch us smoothly. Walk, walk, walk. See how we keep the knee out, but instead of thinking to push knee out, you just think to keep off the big toe. In your shoes, now we'll put both of our feet side by side. Now focus in on our feet. And by weight on big toe, notice how when we let our weight go to the big toe, see how our shoes just rolled in? That means now we're pushing from big toe as we walk, which is most of the way people do it. Push the weight to the outside edge, lift the big ball toe. Feel how, and you can see by our feet, now your feet are centered. You can feel the arch lift within your shoe. At the same time you lift that arch, you can feel it a little bit more in the hip and in the stomach. Walking is the best exercise. Now the other thing, while you're walking, keep the shoulders back and the palms facing the center of the body. So as we come back, when you keep the hands facing the center of the body, you keep your shoulder in correct alignment. And you'll notice that you go opposite. We're starting with our right, stepping right, left, right. See that swing? Now stepping on back, if you really have shoulder problems or a lot of upper back fat, then just flip the palms forward. And as you're doing your fitness walk, let's start again, begin. Step, step, step. Feel how much more you use the muscles. But the biggest key factor is to stay off that big toe, push from the last 3 toes as you walk, walk with a big stride, keep those shoulders back, don't look at the floor as you walk, and watch those inches melt away as you uplift, tighten, and tone from the waist down by just walking with T-TAPP technique.